What's up everyone, I'm Brandon, you're watching John Boat River Cats, and today I got a DIY for you. I'm going to show you how to make your own GoPro Gumby mount. GoPro has come out with the new Hero 11. If you do any kind of filming with GoPros, you know what I'm talking about. They also released a Gumby mount. It's a new GoPro camera mount that you can pretty much attach to anywhere. The mount itself is $40. I'm going to show you how to make your own Gumby mount for less than $10. Right here is your standard GoPro mount. It's the short one that comes with the GoPro, but I've put a aftermarket Amazon aluminum extension on here. I have a pretty cheap Amazon septic light. It works pretty good, it's pretty bright. And I also have one of the sticky pad mounts that came with the GoPro camera. Now I've taken the backing off of it, the little sticky pad, and this is the one that is kind of rounded, which they have some that are just flat, but this will work just fine for what I want to do with it. If I'm doing some bank fishing at night, I want to be able to mount it to like a tree limb or a small tree. You can get a 2-pack of these cable ties, these reusable twist ties, for $4. I believe $4.50 on Walmart. You can get a pack of zip ties for about $2.50. Now these are 75-pound UV rated, which I suggest, because if it's going to be in any sunlight or something like that, you leave it outside, you don't want it to get brittle right off the bat. So I want to drill some holes into this plate, which will be right around in there, and then I'm going to clip this into here, and I will be able to put zip ties through here and zip ties through my holes in the front here. We're going to take our drill and drill bit. It's plastic, so size of the bit doesn't really matter. You can get in there and kind of wall it out. And we're going to get that just big enough to get our zip tie through there. Do the same for the other side. Alright, so we've got our 2 holes up here, which is pretty much all we need to drill into this piece. Now, all we got to do is slide this on. Now I've got some over here that are wider. Those are the ones that are going to be up here. Now if you look through here, I've got 2 holes I can put zip ties in, and I've got 2 holes in the front that I can put zip ties in. Now all I'm going to do is take one of these twist ties, and I'm just going to set it in the back over the holes. I'm going to take a zip tie, push it through hole number 1, take another zip tie, and I'm going to push it through hole number 2. Now we've got us 2 zip ties going through our holes, and I'm going to run them through. Alright, do the same with this one. I'm a little shaky. I had a lot of coffee this morning. Alright, we're going to cinch those down. Now I've already bent these out to pretty much be about halfway. So I've got about the same distance on each side. And we're going to do the same to the other side. Now Now we have our 2 zip ties through our holes on the other side. We're going to lay that right there, and we're going to run that through here. Now this only takes a few minutes to make, and it's also very cheap. Cinch these down, get it nice and centered. All right, now all you got to do is clip your tag ends. Make sure they're all good and tight. All right, take and clip your tag ends off with some scissors, like so. All right, now you've got yourself about a $6, $7 Gumby mount. Now let's just say I'm out on the bank fishing. So I've got a tree here, and I've got a light that I want to mount to it so I can get a good visual on my surrounding. So all you got to do is wrap this puppy around, and like I said, this serves the same purpose as the Gumby mount. It's the exact same thing. You can twist tie it on, and you have yourself a good stable light mount, or you can mount your GoPro to it. So now, if I was bank fishing and I needed some light, just walk up to this tree, push the button, and I'm good to go. If you wanted a different camera angle, you could even mount this on your fishing rod. I would probably mount it on the side like this. And if you wanted like a camera angle of your fishing rod, if you had like a swivel you could put out and turn this, you know, the other way, or you could take it and put it behind on the handle back here and have a view of the reel and the whole rod. For about $7, you'll have yourself a Gumby mount. This bottom plate comes with your camera. This right here comes with your camera, and if you get the medium mod, like I said, it comes with an extended one. You can get a cheap aluminum mount off of Amazon to extend that out even further. I use the Rode wireless mic, and I need that little extra extension away from my chest so I can tilt the camera up a little higher if I have to. I hope it helps you out. Give it a try, it's cheap. You can sacrifice one of these mounts, they're pretty cheap. You can even get the knockoff GoPro mounts off of Amazon or eBay. And yeah, have yourself a little handy tool. So I hope that helps you out, guys. That's something I thought about when I saw that mount. I said, man, I'd love to have it. I just don't want to spend $40 on it. So I said, man, I have 2 of those twist ties. I bought them a while back just to tie my rods together when I was going, you know, bank fishing. It was an easy way to wrap your rods up and keep them all together so they're not going all over the place while you're walking. I also tie up my my PVC rod holders that way, the ones you drive in the ground. Keeps all those together nice and tidy. Makes it all easy to carry. So that's an easy DIY for you. It takes 5-10 minutes to make. If you got the tools, all you need is a drill and a drill bit and some zip ties. The reusable gear ties is what they're called. People call them gear ties. Those are 12-inch. I used 14-inch zip ties, that's all I had. You can use 8-inch, 4-inch, it doesn't matter. You're not going to use much of the zip tie anyway. It's a good sturdy mount. It'll work for just about any application. So if this was helpful and you enjoy the content, slam that like button. Share the video with your friends and family. Cast a comment down below. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you know next time and anytime I post a video. Catch you on the next one.